Planning to go to Baguio soon at naghahanap ka ng staycation house na budget-friendly? This video is for you. Tara, Yuma Kanus, alam niyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad dito sa 317 Tamawan Village, Pinsao proper, Baguio City upang mag-staycation sa Northern Pines Inn. If magko-commute kayo, ride a jeep sa Baguio City Public Market tapat ng police station going to Longlong or Tamawan. Ask the driver to drop you off at Flora Spa. If by private car, just search this on Waze, Flora Spa. At pagpasok nyo, meron na silang allotted parking space for your car. Ito ang itsura sa loob na makikita nyo ang living area with their couch and sosyalen dahil may pa-fireplace pa sila na pwede nyo ding gamitin. This is their dining area na may smart TV sa harap na pwede mag-Netflix and kitchen na indeed kompleto sa gamit na pangluto at dining wares at may provided na din na appliances. Pwede ka din tumambay sa kanilang terrace sa first floor. For the bedrooms, meron naman silang 4 bedrooms dito. Isa sa first floor na may bunk bed, second and third bedroom has queen size bed, while the last room has a double size bed and bunk bed na may balcony na may overlooking view. Ang ganda naman talaga tignan ang view na makikita mo dito sa kanilang balcony. Meron silang shower heater for their comfort rooms and they also have free Wi-Fi. Also, you can book the whole cabin for long term. For the rates, lalagay ko na lang ito sa comment box section for your future reference. O ano pa hinihintay nyo? Baguio na ba? Let's go!